Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another super cool product. This we found at Infocom 2019. Really beautiful and exceptional device. It's a Yamaha video sound collaboration system CS-700. You can go to uc.yamaha.com to check this baby out. Basically, this is designed for like huddle rooms, and it will give you best-in-class audio, video, and screen sharing capabilities with all-in-one video conferencing system. So this is great for doing all your video conferencing. It's designed for the smaller spaces in mind for like huddle rooms, and it's got wall-mounted system that features ultra-wideband audio and high-quality video that brings spectacular clarity to all your communications and collaboration needs. It's got integrated remote management capability, and it makes it easier than ever for your IT department to remotely monitor, manage, and upgrade your huddle room installations. Comes in two different models, pretty cool here, the CS-700 AV and the CS-700 SP. So let's talk about what the differences are. On the base model with the AV, it's got USB audio and video support. It's got beam forming microphone array, so it basically finds where the noise is coming from and forms a beam to it. And it's got 4 speaker elements. Ultra wide angle camera with a 120 degree field of view. It's got remote administration and management system notifications and auto configuration support, and it works with your chosen UC application. You can connect calls with Bluetooth and NFC, and it includes a wall mount bracket kit you'll see here in the video. With the SP version, you can add integrated SIP interface for call manager integration. You can bridge together USB and SIP calls, SIP application that works with any Android tablet, full API to integrate with room control systems, and supports most voice over IP platforms. Really cool that way, and feature rich in everything that goes into it. It's very simple to install, plug and play, and you can configure and upgrade it in bulk remotely and automatically through the IP interface. It's won a ton of awards through a lot of different audio visual shows over the years, and I got to tell you, I was really impressed with it. It's very easy to set up, very easy to plug and play. You plug it right into your TV or whatever device you're using, and away you go. What's even nice is they have a number of different accessories you can get with this. There's the CS-700 wire extension microphone, the CS-700 extended maintenance package, and the SIP extended maintenance package. One thing they did send us was the CS-700 wireless extension microphone, and it's a special device that you can use where you can have a wireless microphone for your thing, multiple ones if you want as well. And it's got like a base charger with the Revo Labs HD Dual, and it'll charge up your little microphones, and then you can have a Revo Labs HD omnidirectional wireless microphone, and that works right with your CS-700, so pretty cool that way. And you can also do a number of different combinations with the configuration dip switches on the back of the units for the bass, so you can get everything plugged in, dialed in, put the way you want it, make sure there's no conflicts with your different signals going back and forth, and multiple microphones, etc., etc. You can even download a HD control panel software from Revo Labs to integrate with it, so you can do all sorts of customization as well. Yeah, I was really impressed with the product. We had a chance to test it out, play with it. The video is great. The wide angle on it is awesome. It's just a really amazing device for all the different features that go into it as well. I'd highly recommend it, and be sure to go to uc.yamaha.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved. Be sure to check out the CS-700 units, and I think you'll be very impressed for your huddle rooms. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.